we going?
We are going to Sacramento Raceway. Today's the Muscle Mustang Fast Forward event. We're gonna try and get some runs in today to re-baseline the car after I put in the moser rear end. So we'll see what it does today. Hopefully we can get a 10 out of it. It's like 90 degrees today, 92-ish, so it's a little hot, but we should be able to get a good run in. We'll see. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
That's Niners. I believe all Niners.
Get him, Tony. Right. Left. That's my boy.
There, left.
He's gonna get him. Watch. Told you.
All right, first pass of the day wasn't as good as I was hoping it would be. I ran 11.8 at 116. So it's hot outside. I don't know if the heat is what's causing me to lose all the mile an hour. Because last time I was here, it trapped, I think 124. But it didn't 60 foot very well because I wasn't too aggressive off the line. I only launched at like 5,200 RPM. So I upped the two-step to 58. I took like 2 pounds of air out of the rear tires. And then I softened up the rear. I softened up the compression on the rear coilovers. And then, yeah, I guess I'll just try that out and see how it does. And hopefully if I can knock down the 60 foot, it might ET a little better, but we'll see. Good news and bad news. We made a little bit of an improvement. The car went, damn it, stupid wind. I'll tell you. It went 11.63 at 117.8. So trap speed is down 6 miles an hour. Yeah, and it only 60 footed at 159. So I just got to spend some more time dialing in the suspension. Unfortunately, the car overheated actually also. The fans for some reason weren't kicking on, so I gotta figure that out too. So today was kind of a bust, but that's racing. It happens. I'll try again some other day. All right, so today didn't go the way I wanted it to go, but like I said before, that's racing. It happens. I don't even know if you can see it. Car's on the trailer. We're packed up, we're ready to leave. So yeah, we only got 2 passes in today. The fastest pass was an 11.6 at 117. The car overheated and is making noise either in the rear end or the transmission. So I'm gonna take it to the shop, see what's going on. And I'm gonna have to try again another day. Hopefully on a colder day, so it's not 95 fucking degrees again. So yeah, so that's it for today. Okay, so I'm checking the fluid for the rear end and the transmission because on the last pass on decel it made like on decel and then like in and out of throttle kind of was making a crazy noise, like a howling kind of noise. And I've been having issues with my training for a while, so I wasn't sure if that was it or if it was the new moser rear end that I put in this thing, which is right there. A bit easier to see it this way. I got terrified when I thought it might have been the rear end because I spent a lot of money on that. But like I said, that thing's brand new. It's got a little bit of metal in it, but it's not too crazy when you consider the gears are new, the bearings are new and everything. But this transmission fluid, transmission is not new at all. Yeah, that's a lot of fucking metal. So it looks like I need to tear into the transmission. And yeah, looks like I might re-gear this thing now. Because I was going to change the gearing on it because it's a 297 first, and I want to change it to a 266 first. So yeah, fuck this car. All I want to do is race. I'm tired of working on it. But yeah, I guess I'll yank the transmission today, tear it apart maybe this weekend, and then we'll see what we're working with. Sad face.